So what we're making today here is sausage patties from our grass-fed meat subscription box. So basically, I get the sausage. It comes just in a ground sausage square, like hamburger, like ground hamburger, and I just roll them up here in little patties. Love this grill. I'll put a link to the grill and to the food delivery in the box below. And now what we're going to do, I may have put too much on here. We're going to find out really quick. We are going to cook these up, and then I serve some to my teenage daughter who loves sausage, and I like it on the keto diet, of course. And then I freeze whatever I don't use, and then later I cook it up and I use them for my sausage, egg, and cheese biscuits, which are also keto friendly and fantastic. I'll put a link below for that too. So this the grass-fed meat delivery is below, as well as this grill, and I'll show you the finished product in just a minute. So it looks like this is actually the perfect amount to put on this grill. I have the small grill. There is a bigger one. There's just 2 of us in my family, and I cook my hamburgers and steaks and all kinds of things on here. So as you can see, I'll grab a set of tongs here. Perfect. So you don't even need to flip them. That's the nice thing about this. This is actually a panini press and a grill. So now I know I can cook the whole block of sausage at one time, and it works perfectly. She'll probably have 3 of these for breakfast. I'll have a couple, and then I'll freeze the other ones and heat them up, and it works absolutely perfectly. So there's a good look at our grass-fed meat delivery sausage and our Cuisinart grill.